What to eat tonight? AI 852 Cooking Guide. This evil triple cheese bacon-baked mac and cheese is a convenient, simple, and totally sinful dish, and if you love cheese, you gotta try making it. Ingredients: quick serve macaroni, unsalted butter, flour, milk, shredded cheddar cheese, shredded parmesan cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, bacon, croutons, a pinch of salt and black pepper powder. Instructions. Step 1. Prep the ingredients. Chop the right amount of bacon slices into bacon bits, fry till fragrant, and set aside. Cook the macaroni according to the package instructions, then drain and set aside. Step 2. Make the cheese sauce. Melt the butter over low heat, add the flour and stir until smooth for about 1 minute. Then slowly pour in the milk and keep stirring until it thickens. Turn off the heat and add about 2/3 of the cheddar cheese. Stir until the cheese melts. Step 3. Mix the macaroni. Toss the cheese sauce, macaroni, bacon, a little salt and black pepper powder, and mozzarella cheese together until even, then pour into a baking dish. Step 4. Top with cheese and bake. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Sprinkle on the remaining cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese. Pop it in the oven and bake for 10 minutes until the top cheese turns golden and crispy. Step 5. Sprinkle on the croutons and crushed croutons. Done. Afterthoughts. It's super tasty. You can eat it all up without feeling greasy at all. Sinfulness level off the charts. If you're gonna eat it, don't think about the calories. If you have any other questions or need more recipes, just let us know anytime. Tip. During Step 3, you can optionally add some cooked corn kernels to add some veggie texture.